Hey guys, Day Worker Night Trader here. Today I have a very important update that I wanted to give you based on something that I just saw on Tesla. Tesla is one of the most exciting company in the world right now. Then there's a lot of investors who are very bullish on the future of Tesla. Me personally, I have some reservations. I do feel that there's a lot of uncertainties that have to do with the valuations of Tesla, and hence I'm not a full investor on Tesla yet, but I'm indirectly exposed to Tesla. If you have been following my channel for the past say 1 to 2 weeks, you should have known that ARKK, which has some holding in Tesla, is part of my portfolio. So today I'm just going to share with you the video that I got and my thoughts on what is happening now and whether I'm going to be more confident and less confident in Tesla. But before we go to that video, today is the last day of the trading weeks, and all the positions that we have opened at the start of the week is deeply in the money. So we are on track to make $765 from all the covered call here, excluding the profit from selling share. On the put side, I think we already have $1,047 in the bags. We have a good chance of making $1,800. And guys, if you wanted to see how I make these transactions and make anywhere between $3,000 to $4,000 a week, please do check the 2 videos that I'm going to leave in the description. For now, without any further ado, let's go to the Tesla material.
Panda. I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting the licks in the band. Legacies.
Yo guys, welcome back. So just a bit of background before I show this video. My opinion on Tesla is that Tesla is one of the biggest company in the world, led by a very exciting billionaire, and I do believe that he's a genius, right? And he's super hardworking. But as of the hype around Tesla, I'm a little bit skeptical about the current valuations of the company. So essentially, Tesla is a technology company with a lot of the future values in the car business, and on top of that, they also have some technology on autonomous driving. Personally, I'm not so excited about the car making piece because I do think that it's outrageous for Tesla as a car selling companies to be, as valuable as the top 10 or 15 or even at some point the top 30 car manufacturers in the world. And me as a marketeer, I do believe that for any consumer goods, the branding is so important, right? People are going to still having some certain level of loyalties to things like Toyota, Ford, or I'm not a car guys, right? But just pick your favorite car brand. Probably you're going to buy an electric vehicle from that car brand. So personally, I'm not very excited with Tesla as a car manufacturer. But on top of that, right, Tesla is also a technology company, and this video, if you don't already know, is going to show you one of the pilot projects that Tesla is having on autonomous driving, and probably it is going to give you some of the ideas on how Tesla can scale this into the future. Let's go guys.
Well, as you descend the escalator into the loop station, you see the Teslas waiting to whisk you into a tunnel 43 feet below ground. Now, you might think, all right, it's like a subway. But this is more like a highway underground. And because it's Las Vegas, this is also a thrill ride.
I love that she's trying to be someone that she's not. Just because, it's Vegas, baby.
The Las Vegas Convention Center Loop is part thrill ride, part light and sound show, but mostly just a commute across a sprawling convention center.
If there's a show going on and you've got a lot of traffic in the convention center, it can be a 45-minute walk from one end to the other.
The loop gets you there in less than 2 minutes. Here's how it works. You enter the station and call for a Tesla.
The system operates like an Uber or a Lyft, where you have an app on your phone, you say, I'm here, I want to go there, car comes up, has an identifier on it that matches with what is on the app on your phone.
Passengers don't have to make multiple stops because there are multiple exits. You go directly to your station of choice. The convention center has 3, but plans are in the works to build a loop system citywide. I'm looking right now.
See, this is big, guys. So basically, what they're saying is that for some of the facilities, some of the big buildings, so probably you're talking about convention center, airport, or stadiums, where it's a hassle for people to go from one end to the other. There's a transportation system that can be built, and the main vehicle that are carrying people can be autonomous car. So this is basically the vision of it. And what this is basically saying is that that can be scaled across the cities, right?
I mean, there's the Ferris wheel, there's the new sphere under construction. The stadium is out there somewhere waiting to be used. Are you saying that eventually this loop is going to connect people from the airport to downtown to the stadium and everywhere in between?
It will, and that eventually is not that far away.
Construction on this loop was completed in 2 years for a cost of less than $53 million, including the stations. It's designed to handle 4,400 people an hour with 62 cars. Right now, with drivers, but soon they'll be autonomous. And
so it seems that the autonomous technology is not ready at this point. What this video seems to be saying is that autonomous driving seems to be one of the plan that they're going to roll out with this facility.
what happens in Vegas likely won't stay in Vegas.
Dude, you just have to make that joke, don't you?
Any place that has congestion issues needs to move people and really can't just keep expanding roadways. Is going to want to look at a system like this because it really makes a difference.
Look, Miami, Fort Lauderdale, DC to Baltimore, hey, Los Angeles to Las Vegas. That's a 4-hour-plus drive that stretches into a 9-hour parking lot on some days. All of this is under consideration for a loop. In Las Vegas, more than 40 destinations have raised their hand saying, yep, we want a station, we'll build it. They're thinking, if you build it, they will come.
And I bet they will.
Whoa, interstate or long distance traveling is one of the things that they're talking about. So there's a bit about a 4-hour ride. Very exciting, right? The second thing is that even in terms of intra-city transportations, what she seems to be saying is that there are 40 destinations within the same city who is excited to build a station. This is an excellent opportunity for Tesla to showcase the autonomous driving capabilities, right? And to show everyone the potentials of autonomous driving. So not only in the personal space, so for you and for me, but also to solve some problems that some of the businesses, some of the buildings, or even some of the cities are facing today. I think this model of operation is a very scalable thing that probably is going to spark the growth of other EV companies as well, because I mean Tesla can do it in the US, right? NIO can do it in China, for example. The second big thing is this is an excellent opportunity for Tesla to do some brand buildings and introduce their cars to more people. Buying a car is a big decision that probably you're going to look at a few brands, and if you listen to the video, they are saying that in this one facilities, in one convention center, every single hour, there are 4,400 people who are going to get to experience a car. So we are talking about 4,400 opportunities to engage potential car buyers per hour. Just think about the positions of a normal car company. You need a studio, you need a display room, and you need salespeople to invite people to experience the car. But just by doing this, 4,400 people are entering the car voluntarily, interacting and play with the car. And just imagine that after all of those experiences, there's a live offer, let's say a 20% discount on a Tesla car. People can just press a button and get the car shipped to them probably after 2 to 3 weeks. I'm excited, guys. That's it for today, guys. I hope this video is exciting to you. This is the first commentary video that I have made, so I apologize if it's not as perfect as it can be. Feel free to give me any comments, any inputs. Feel free to let me know what you'd like to hear in the future so that I can constantly improve the future videos and give you better content. That's it for today, guys. See you next time, and until then, let's make some money.
I got broads in Atlanta, just to throw me in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting the licks in the bank. Legacies.